Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to treat powdery mildew. It's this white like dust. It usually attacks pumpkins, a lot of plants, um, and I've noticed that it doesn't attack like plants that grow in the area, but it attacks mainly seeds that you buy that don't grow in the area. Like if you buy seeds online, it'll attack those, and your like the ones that you always grow, it doesn't attack them. It's good if you plant different kinds of seeds. It's good to know because you're gonna get this, and once it hits the plant, and if you don't treat it, it'll take all the energy and it'll kill the plant. So what I use for this is just plain milk. I just spray it. I read online that it changes the pH of the plant, so it fixes it. That way it stops the powdery mildew. So what I do is just spray like this. Let's see if it works. Yeah, there it is. Okay, let me change it. Okay, so just spray everywhere you see the powdery mildew. If you do it early enough, this stops the fungus from growing, and the plant is healed. But if you wait too long, even if you spray it, it'll take over. So try to spray as soon as possible. Every time you see this white spots like dust, white dust, then that means you have it. So spray as soon as possible. Let me see these right here. These are pretty much almost healthy, but because that's how it's supposed to be. This one is that way. These are normal, like these. That's the variety, but the dust is the one that, like this one. This is a different variety. This one doesn't have it. But the mildew is different. It's dust, like dust. So these are good. You see those spots? Those are the ones. Like that one. This one's doesn't have powdery mildew. Let's see if I can find any more. That one is starting, so I'm gonna treat it. This also happens when the weather changes and the plants do not dry up all the way. So try not to spray when you water. Try not to spray them on top. Just water the soil, not the actual plant. Because if it doesn't dry up, the fungus will grow. As you can see here, and I've done it before, and it's pretty good control of that. If I don't treat them, within like 1 or 2 weeks, they're gone. This sucks up all the energy. So I want to have squash and pumpkins this year, so I'm going to spray them. And the good thing, it's organic. No pesticides or anything, so better than the fungicides that are chemicals. So fungicides, whatever you call them. I think those are it for now. I'll have an update once I see another one right there. Have an update on the progress, and then hopefully when I have some squash and pumpkins. Today's September 19th. Thank you for watching.